How fast can you run with impact packers? Everyone else in the packaging industry wants to achieve the higher packing speeds. Everyone wants that, but not everyone gets it. I'm going to show you how fast our packers can run. Hi, Mathieu here. As director at IMPACK, I've answered questions about the speed of our packers so many times that I've lost count. At IMPACK, we want to give you all the information you need to make a more educated decision from day one, and with full transparency. In this video, I'll explain to you how the packing speed of a packer is measured, what packing speeds you can expect from IMPACK's packer, and how to boost your packing speed. How is your packing speed measured? As you know, for a folder gluer, the speed is measured in boxes per hour. But what about carton packers? Here, the packing speed is measured in cases per minute. So as a rule of thumb, the more boxes per case, the greater the packing speed of a packer. But the devil is in the details, so our sales and engineering teams are always there to assess your production and give you realistic figures for your own production. What packing speeds can you expect from IMPACK's packer? Ergoza packer. The Ergoza is a semi-automatic folder gluer packer with the performance of an automatic packer that includes case management. Its packing speeds depend on the skill of the operator running it. The learning process of an Ergoza is quite fast, and the operator typically achieves high packing speeds already after a few days of training. The Ergoza has a packing speed of 1 to 6 cases per minute, depending on the case configuration and the mode you're using, either horizontal, vertical, or manual. Virtuo packer. The Virtuo is high-performance automatic folder gluer packer and one of the only packers on the market that can handle both carton and corrugated board. It can range from an automated process to a fully automated one. The Virtuo packer speed is directly dependent on the box format you're packing, as it can't be limited by the operator. The staff is limited to background tasks. Under the Virtuo packer, you can expect a packing speed of 3 to 8 cases per minute. Everio stacker. The Everio is a fully automatic stacker to stack and bend your boxes coming from your folder gluer. It can also range from a semi-automated to a fully automated process. The Everio stacker's speed is directly dependent on the box dimension and bundle count. Under the Everio stacker, you can expect a packing speed of 10 to 20 bundles per minute. How can I achieve the highest packing speed on the market? Considering the folder gluer can keep up the speed, the only way to become the top speed producer with your packer is by influencing the parameters that affect your packing speed. Those are the carton lengths and the number of rows and layers per case. First, how to increase your case length. Increasing your case length simply means having a longer case that allows for more boxes inside, which means a greater net total number of boxes processed per hour, as the number of cases might stay the same. However, your case length and weight must fit the machine requirement and must still be manageable by your staff. Always a delicate balance to optimize. Our experts can help you determine your own best scenario. Second, how to increase the number of rows and layers per case. The Ergoza packer offers multi-row and multi-layer packing. Hence, increasing the number of rows or layers will increase your packing speed. A greater number of boxes could be processed per hour on the folder gluer, which will likely also mean that you will manage less cases. The speed gain here is derived from the time saved to prepare more empty cases, which goes from 3 to 10 seconds per case and relies on the operator's skills. Then again, there's always a balance to reach, as too many rows or layers becomes far more difficult to manage. Are you ready to choose a new packer? Now that we've broken down how packing speeds are calculated and the different packing speeds offered by IMPACK's packers, I suggest you compare IMPACK's 3 main machines, the Ergoza, Virtuo, and Everio, in the resource below. If you are still unsure and you are interested in a free productivity analysis to examine your production and better understand your needs, contact us today. We'll be more than happy to help. It doesn't imply any sort of commitment from your side, and it is completely free. Don't hesitate to contact us directly if you have more questions. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching and see you soon!